Hey guys, happy Friday! So today is section 3 of chapter 15. We're talking about politics in the Gilded Age. Okay, our main idea is to focus on the local and national political corruption in the 19th century that led to calls for reform. Reform means change. So, read the little story. And we're going to talk about the emergence of political machines. So in the 19th century, cities experienced rapid growth under inefficient government. In a climate influenced by dog-eat-dog social Darwinism, cities were receptive to new power structure and the political machine and a new politician, the city boss. So the political machine, an organized group that controlled the activities of a political party in the city, is the political machine. Also offered services to voters and businesses in exchange for political or financial support. In the decades after the Civil War, political machines gained control of local government in Baltimore, New York, San Francisco, and other major cities. The machine was organized like a pyramid. At the pyramid's base were the local precinct workers and captains. They're at the bottom. And then they tried to gain voters. And then it went all the way to the top. The neighborhood reported to a boss. So election time, the ward boss worked in secure the votes in the precincts in the ward or electoral district. And they would help the poor and they would gain votes by doing favors for different people. Okay, so then we have the role of the political boss. You're going to read all this. And immigrants in the machine. We're going to talk about this graft and scandal. Okay, so even the well-oiled political machines provide city dwellers with the services and many political bosses, they fall to corruption. So I want you to continue reading all the way to page 447, answers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, have a good Friday and good weekend.